Okay, so this is my final project production for the semester. We have this loading screen, but we can go through settings and credits. There's also a save system, but we'll go ahead and start game. This brings us to this character selection, where you can actually change what kind of body type you have, and can change the skin color, and you can even change the hair color. We're still working on how we can make this to where you can spin the character around to see how they look. But you can put in your character's name, then you can confirm, and this will spawn you into the world. And I'll run through something that we've already created for the game. So, as you can see, we've got this really cool environment around us. It's currently nighttime. The lighting does need some work because it's very reactive to how the camera is facing, so we still need to bake a lot of the lighting and the textures, but we have functional systems. So if you go here in this portal, you will appear up in that city that you'd seen. It's essentially a giant tree with branches, and it's very extensive. And before I talk to that quest giver, I'll actually walk up these stairs. And the stairs need to have their collision checked still, because they still have some bugs, but for the most part it's pretty okay. And we have like this huge city. We'll walk us through a bit of it. Again, don't mind the weird collision stepping. We have a very, very pretty painted skybox. We don't really have fall damage right now, so I could just jump. We have these leaves that are attached to the tree. It's just a massive city that we've designed with civilians that have their own patrol AI and stuff like that. But it's been really fun to create this, and let me get back to the quest giver so that I can demonstrate what else we have made. So you can go up to the quest giver. They've got these little VFX things on their heads. The models aren't exactly where we want them yet, but we're still working on that. You can get quests, and we want this to eventually be voice acted. We have a lot of voice actors that are working with us. But you can go through here and you'll see available quests, and you can then accept the quest, and you'll see it up on the top left there. We also have some demonstratable items so that I can show off some of our equipment system. So we also have this overall menu. We have our attributes, which are kind of like a skill tree. As you level up, you gain available points to spend in here, and also for spells, and this will affect how your gameplay runs. Like, for example, leveling up in light weaponry will increase the amount of damage you do with things like daggers. We also have the magic menu, which is essentially what you can do for spells and whatnot. We do have some pretty cool ones. That I can show. So when you click on it, you equip it, and I'll actually click that, and while the shaders are loading, there we go. Actually, so that's a spell that we've got, and it heals you, and it heals your allies. But we also have an equipment system where you can actually see your character. We have a little bit of bugging with the camera alignment, so we've done our best to like this. We're still working on fixing that so that, you know, the weapon doesn't clip through the viewport camera. So now that we have equipped our armor and our weapon, real quick I'll actually show the crafting menu as well. We have all these recipes, and when you click on them, you're going to get this input-output system that lets you know what you need and how much of it you actually have. Whoop. Like I said, we gotta fix the ramp collision on these stairs. But for the most part it's good. So now we have this enemy that we can focus on, and he'll see us and he'll start chasing us and he wants to fight. So we can and you can see that if you click it right, there's a combo. We're still working on target locking. So now he's running since he's low, and he's gonna disappear. And I've completed the quest. And it's just all a work in progress, and you know, it's something that I'm really proud of, and despite a lot of issues that we've had with the team and being able to get models in, I think we've created something pretty beautiful that I'm extremely proud of. So there's also another city on the map, but I'm running out of time. I already have 8 minutes on here, so yeah. This is Illustrious Calling so far.